That the way that this neuroscience field is growing and growing is because a fundamental shift has happened in research, and is that there's less linear thinking.
The trouble with market research is that people don't think what they feel, they don't say what they think, and they don't do what they say.
Whenever we see food, even food on a screen, like here, or food on a package, our brain can't help but simulate the act of eating.
Now, most people understand that negative messages get people's attention, and that is exactly what we found.
I think it was Orwell, in Keep the Aspidistra Flying, compared advertising to the rattling of a stick in a bucket of pig swell.
So as marketers and communicators, we have two very important levers. We can increase the expected reward, and or we can reduce the pain of the price.
And it's very important once you start understanding that there has to be a true subconscious consistency across every single sense, every single sensory stimulus that your brand is using to communicate.
When people see your brand, there's this massive network of interconnections that are just fired off.
Anytime James Bond is touching his bow tie, women go nuts.
One of the phrases that we use at House 51 is we say we're about delivering real-world understanding. And we don't really believe that you can deliver real-world understanding unless implicit research is effectively a thread in everything that you do.
So if anybody is into clothing business, make sure to think of it, because it's really a high time for the bow tie. All right.
And what we also found that the first segment of ads was significantly less arousing than the later two ad segments. So there is an emotional build-up over most ads.
I think a large part of marketing works because a brand has much more to lose by selling a bad product, and that's why we actually pay a premium for brands.
A huge body of work that supports it, both in case studies, in the literature, and just in the real world. You know, it's much more likely to work.
So symbolic value is something that people care about that doesn't affect their material well-being.
We know that much of the behaviour of people that we study is shaped by social forces because we can see patterns in the data that tells it different.